Hey everybody, it's Malachi. Welcome back to another video. And if you can hear it, the tornado sirens are going off. And it is a warning because right now, there's a tornado watch around my area right now. And I'm in the thunderstorm area right now, so there could be a thunderstorm happening at any moment. And there is a tornado warning that's around my area also. So, and I got goosebumps too. And if you can hear it, the siren's still going off somewhere over there. So, yeah. And if you guys didn't know, that tomorrow is my last full day of school, and then this Thursday is a half day, and then I'm out of school. But the thing is, I have to go to summer school, so yeah. But that'll be okay. It'll be fine. But they just stopped. The tornado warning just stopped. So yeah. But yeah. I'm watching the news inside of my house. I can see through the window right now. So, but yeah, I just want to update you guys and tell you guys about what's happening right now. So, but till next time. Wait. The sirens are still going off. Can you hear it, guys? They're really quiet, but they're still going off. I can still hear the sirens, guys. But, yeah, till next time, peace.